Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to use Canva for your newsletter. First, open Canva and search for newsletter templates. You'll find thousands of options, from professional to playful. Choose one that aligns with your brand and content. Then, personalize it by uploading your logo and selecting your brand's specific colors and fonts. This ensures your newsletter looks consistent and professional, making a strong impression on your readers from the very first glance. Now, let's fill your newsletter with compelling content. Drag and drop text boxes to add your articles, updates, or special offers. You can easily upload your own photos or choose from Canva's vast stock photo library, which contains millions of images. Resize and crop them to fit your design perfectly. Remember to include clear calls to action, like read more buttons, to guide your audience to your website or other resources. To make your newsletter truly stand out, leverage Canva's extensive collection of design elements. Browse through thousands of icons, illustrations, and shapes to add visual interest. Experiment with different background textures or patterns to create depth. Always ensure your branding is consistent. Use the same color palette and font styles in every edition. This reinforces your brand identity and makes your newsletters instantly recognizable to your subscribers. Once your newsletter is perfect, it's time to share it with your audience. Canva allows you to download your design in several formats, including high-quality PDF for printing or JPG for web use. You can also directly integrate Canva with popular email marketing services, making distribution incredibly easy. Schedule your newsletter to go out at a time when your audience is most likely to engage, maximizing your reach and impact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.